future is that we make accessibility the standard in everything. Like, it should be a part of the design process. Like anything is, when you're designing it, is that like we should be thinking about how someone first interacts with our product in terms of how they use the product, because that's how I guess we get like repeat buyers and repeat customers and all of those things. So talking from the perspective of a business owner, we want people to like our products and be easy to use, so then they repurchase them. So my hope for the future is that businesses realize that, and they realize when you make products easier to open and easier to use, you actually attract a bigger customer base, but you make that experience of using that product repeatedly a really nice, enjoyable experience for people. And then we just bake that into being a fundamental design principle in everything that we do, the same way that we abide by legislation because we need to make things like safe. We do the same thing with accessibility and actually just have it baked in from the start. So then products are easy to use, not just for people who need them, but for everyone.
A much more heightened awareness of just how many people out there do struggle with a lot of packaging. I'm hoping that they really sit up and listen and make it easier for not just people with poor dexterity and fine motor skills and poor hand strength, but also for older people, for kids, people with disability generally, and just the wider population. Nobody wants to struggle getting into a product.
I really hope that companies have product managers or design managers within their brands that do think further outside of themselves. I hope they listen to consumer feedback as well and know that it's not just an issue for someone with a disability. It can be for someone who's older or younger or going through hard times with surgery. So I don't think you need to really pinpoint it for this particular consumer. It should be really accessible for everyone because there's going to be an issue in someone's life stage.